Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm just doing my auntie's nails in this set. I filed back all of her old design and I'm just applying a clear base layer here. And while I'm doing this, some of the tips had a bit of breakaway where there was some lifting, so because she left it quite a while. And I'm just filling in those areas to re-strengthen with the clear base. And then I'm coming in with this really pretty plum purple colour. She wanted this colour specifically and I didn't have it, so I made it myself using clear, a little bit of white, acrylic powders and chalk pastels. And I used purple and a pinky reddy colour to make that. That came out almost exactly the same as the colour she wanted. Just a bit of a more simple set today too, doing the full plum colour on the pinky middle and pointer finger, and then I'm going to do an ombre with it with glitter on her ring finger and her thumb. And yeah, so that's just what I'm doing here, just getting the colour layer on. Got my lovely friend Amy's music in this video as per usual. If you like it and want to check her out, I'll link her Instagram music channel in the description below. But never in your arms. So then I come in to do the ombres. I think we chose Cover Pink from Young Nails. I'm pretty sure it is. I'm just ombreing that. Getting in the cuticle bead there, keeping that nice and neat. Always going with the first bead kind of to start the ombre off. And then focus on the cuticle after that. And then I'm not too worried about the blend in the ombre because the glitters are going to come in and fade up as well, which I'm doing here. I've left in a little bit of filing for you too. I'm using the Melody Susie Scarlet nail drill, and this is a Kiara Sky medium grit 5-in-1 bit. I go around the cuticle area, make sure that's all flush and neat. No. And the first one's always a bit funny, and then you're in a roll and they get better. Barrel of the nail, and I used a bit of a there, chunkier, a nice shape, and then I come down either side of the barrel to get a nice C curve, making a bit of a fade. I just left in a little bit of this so you could see how I do it. Then I go in, get the cuticle bead nice and neat. And I tilt the fingers down when I do this as well so it doesn't run back into the cuticle. And then not worrying too much about that fade, and because I'm coming in with the glitter again. Fade it up. Make it look like little starbursts fading out onto the nail bed there. If he wasn't man enough to face him, but the person you thought he was did. I sitting in the bar on so lonesome Saturday night, putting your faith in strangers and this uncanny sort here I'm coming in to cap the entire design with Young Nails Core Clear Acrylic, and just did the pinky in a whole bead by the looks of it because it's little. Making sure it's as neat as possible to reduce filing afterwards as well. And I think I only left in a few nails so that you don't get too bored watching me cap nails. If you can hear tapping noises and jingling in the background, I'm sorry, that's just my cats hanging around doing cat things. Just hanging around. So if you hear any noises like that, that's just them in the background. Bombing on my voiceover here. It's not too noisy, so you might not even hear it, but yeah, if you do, that's what it is.
It's time now to trust yourself and have a little bit of heart. It's time to be okay when you're not sleeping in his arms, 'cause you're the only one who knows what you need and what you want. It's time now to stop pretending like you're not sinning. I guess I can't go back to who I was before I met you, but good thing I'm comfortable with who I am, because it changes every day with every detail and emotion, but it's still me and it's still good.
And after filing with the e-file, I come in with my hand file. It's usually about a 100 grit file I use, and I make sure I get the shape all nice. I go back over the nail as well, around the cuticle area, and then over the body of the nail to make sure it's all smooth and blends down from the stress area to the tip evenly.
And I often find myself getting lost in your eyes. Yeah, it's almost like I see us in 30 years' time. Maybe we'll be sitting at home with a light-hearted joke with the mud and sunlight through the misty windows. Got a coffee-stained rug and a house full of memories. I wanna see where you're taking my what's your plans? Will you take me there? Wish it on a shooting star after the sun sets. Won't you just take my hand? 'Cause you know I've been waiting for you to take the lead, because baby, I wanna give you the best of me. Whoa, the best of me. I somehow just know that this is real. I can feel it in my bones, just the way it is. People change and we all make mistakes, yeah, it's true. But if you fight for me, trust that I will fight for you. And I often find myself getting lost in your
And now it's top coating time, and the colour that comes out when I've top coated is just so pretty. The top coat I'm using is one from, actually no, I went with the Beetles, because the awesome colour top coat I used last time on her, it's stained a bit on the nail bed colours, so I just went back to the Beetles top coat, which I haven't had that happen with that one, so we're going with that one today. Just bringing out all these pretty colours. It's a bit more of a simple set this time. I'm going to try and do another video of a bit more way out set for you. I did a really nice set on myself, but I did not film it, but I might film on the practice hand or something and do a similar set so you can see that one. I used dried flowers and all that pretty stuff.
Only hope remains. Take it day by day, day by day. Oh, and who knows? Maybe we'll be sitting at home with a light-hearted joke with the morning sun through the misty windows. Got a coffee-stained mug and a house full.
Coming up to the end of this video too, I want to thank you all for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. I'll try and get another video out and not take so long next time. I've had to work a bit extra lately, so it's been hard trying to juggle all that around. I'll leave some pictures at the end of this set for you so you can have a good look at them. They did turn out very nice, even though they're more simple. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!